Is Mobilaunch actually a good app development platform? We put it to a test and here's what we found. Mobilaunch is a no-code app builder designed to help startups, entrepreneurs, and creators launch mobile app fast without writing a single line of code. We were curious if it could really deliver professional results. We tried building a basic app from scratch. The interface was smooth, beginner-friendly, and packed with pre-built templates. The drag-and-drop functionality made it easy to design pages, connect features, and preview everything in real time. We like the built-in testing tools and the ability to integrate things like push notifications, payment getaways, and user authentication. Publishing to app stores was also straightforward with step-by-step guidance. Mobilaunch offers a free plan, but to unlock key features like full customization, API access, or publishing support, you'll need a paid tier. Support was responsive and their documentation helped us troubleshoot quickly. The pros: it's fast, simple, and perfect for MVPs or small businesses. The cons: limited flexibility for advanced developers and few customization options compared to full code platforms. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.